Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my 2024 Lexus NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid, and I'm doing a real-world 200-mile mixed driving circuit with minimum temperature dropping to 25 Fahrenheit. The first leg covering 100 miles will be on either internal roads with stop-and-go traffic or slower two-lane highways. The speed will range between 25 to 60 miles per hour, with expected average speed in this stage to be around 40 miles per hour. The second leg is turning back and covering 100 miles driving interstate speeds. The expected average speed during this stage should be around 67 miles per hour, with maximum cruising speed being 72 miles per hour. Along the trip, I'll explain why I'm doing this and how this can be useful to you. So come and join me on this journey.
I'm about to start the first stage, driving only on internal roads. As per Google Maps, it's going to take me 2 hours and 35 minutes to do 100 miles. The car is fully charged and fueled. As you can see, the car predictor is saying that we can do 35 miles on EV range and 505 miles by being on hybrid mode. My plan is to run half EV range now and use the rest on the way back during the highway run. The outside temperature is cold. It's at 34 Fahrenheit. There's going to be a slight side wind of 14 miles per hour. Before I start, I'm gonna set the climate to climate to 70 Fahrenheit auto. I'm going to reset the trip counters and speedometer app that tracks my real-time and average speed and trip distance using GPS. Also confirmed that the cold tire pressure is at recommended level of 33 psi. I'll check back in an hour or so.
It's been 2.5 miles and the temperature has dipped down to 32 Fahrenheit. Here are my reasons to do this circuit. It's hard to find reviews on YouTube that do real-world mixed driving conditions, and if they do, it is not long enough where you can use the results and apply to your situation. In the future, I also plan to use the same circuit to benchmark different cars in different weather conditions. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel.
I have just used over half of my EV range. I've used 18 miles. I have 17 miles left. I got 2.6 miles per kilowatt and I did close to 20 miles. I'm switching to hybrid mode now. Welcome back. I've driven around 40 miles in the last hour. I'm currently driving at GPS speed of 47 miles an hour. The car predictor is saying that we have 17 miles of EV range, which I'm saving for the next stage. The outside temperature is 30 Fahrenheit. My current combined average is 63.7 mpg. The traffic has relaxed quite a bit. It's a regular cruise. Talk to you all in a bit. Couple of hours. I have done 85.4 miles. The outside temperature is 26 Fahrenheit. At the first stage destination, the outside temperature is 28 Fahrenheit. In stop and go traffic through internal roads, we have driven, as per GPS, 99.92 miles. Um, the car says it's 97.9 miles. The combined average as per the car's computer is 43.8 miles per gallon. Taking a short break here, getting ready to do the second stage, which is driving on the faster divided highway. It should take me hour and a half to do 100 miles and finish the circuit. The car operator is saying we can do 17 miles on electric only and 410 miles using hybrid gas engine. I will be running the car initially on EV only, and once EV range is 0, hybrid mode will kick in automatically. The outside temperature is 26 Fahrenheit, and the wind has died down. I am going to reset trip A counter and also speedometer app again. I will also be setting the climate back to 70 Fahrenheit auto. I will check back in an hour. Alright, I got 11 miles on the highway. The EV mode is done. It's been an hour. We have done actually 68 miles as per the GPS. The car says 66 and a half. The trip average has been 34.1 miles per gallon. The temperature actually dipped down to 25 Fahrenheit. Currently it's stating 28 Fahrenheit. Alright, talk later. Back where we started, and this concludes our 200-mile mixed driving circuit in the cold. The outside temperature is 26 Fahrenheit. Doing interstate speeds, driving 99.8 miles. The car states 97.7. We got a combined average of 32.8 miles per gallon as per the car. I'm going to gas up at the same pump as I used at the start of the trip. If you watched this far, I'd like to thank you for your time. Please join me in the last segment where I give my thoughts and impressions. I'll also provide a breakdown of actual electric and hybrid consumption on each stage and compare fuel economy numbers I got versus the car, what the car reported.
This car is an amazing piece of technology. The transition between electric and hybrid is seamless. The seats are very comfortable, and build quality, fit and finish is top notch. Lexus Toyota are conservative in rolling out the latest tech, but what they offer works. Things like automatic windshield wipers and high beams, lane assist has no issues. Few areas of improvement include more functional trip meters and more trip information. It will also be nice to have an ability to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Here are the results of the cold weather circuit run. I have listed expected efficiency of electric only, hybrid only, and EPA numbers. These numbers can change depending upon conditions, weather, speed, etc., but should be a good indication. In the future, I plan to run this and other cars on the circuit to have more comparables. I've also added a calculation in this spreadsheet that I will share where you can change numbers to get results more related to you. For highway road trip, I'm assuming that you will be leaving with one charge and will not have enough time to charge again as it takes a lot of time. In city commute, you most likely will be charging daily. So on this spreadsheet, all the highlighted fields can be changed and updated. So if on city travel, traveling 500 miles, you're only charging 5 times full charges, the updated cost would be reflected here. You can also play around with the distance traveled. Let's say on the highway road trip, you will be charging a few times. That will update the cost, or you will not be charging at all. Or if the distance was less, you can also update the gas prices in your area. Um, you can also use regular gas for Lexus NX. If your efficiency is different than what I have seen in the test, you can also update those numbers as well as um, electric efficiencies. The EPA numbers here are just for reference. If you have a RAV4 Prime, your cost should be 5% lower while still using regular gas. If you want in-depth reviews of how NX plug-in hybrid or RAV4 Prime battery management works, please let me know in the comments.